Hi, I'm Donna Dewberry. I'm the original creator of the FolkArt one-stroke painting program. Our new program with Let's Paint FolkArt one-stroke this year is going to be all about learning how to paint 50 different types of flowers. And as you can imagine, 50 flowers makes the possibility endless to be able to paint floral designs. Learning to paint has never been as easy as when I teach you how to load a brush with multiple colors where you can blend, shade, and highlight with one stroke of the brush. So we're going to share with you those colors so you see. It's a great kit. It's like Donna's favorite colors. And so we have floating medium, magenta, apple red, moon yellow, yellow ochre, citrus green, sap green, cobalt hue, violet pansy, licorice, and wicker white. We have a 1/2 inch scruffy brush, and we then have a 5/8 angle brush. We have a 3/4 inch flat, a 12 flat, and a 2 script liner. So those are going to be the brushes that paint every one of these 50 flowers. And the best part is you have a great surface, this wood customized box that you can paint on. So let me show you a couple that we've already done here. We have the aster, so we practiced this, painted that for you. And look, here's the cone flower and all the beautiful colors and simple steps on how to make it happen right there for you. Remember, practicing on the reusable teaching guides right over my strokes gives you so much painting confidence. I thank you for joining me here in the studio, and I would love for you to take pictures and share them on our Let's Paint with Plaid Facebook group by hashtagging Let's Paint Challenge.